Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video is this Ford Grand C-Max 1.5 diesel titanium 6-speed power shift auto with 120 brake horsepower. It's got keyless entry, so just you thumb over the sensor there or pull the door handle to lock or unlock. Rear sliding door technology, so don't need a dealer space at all at the back of the car to open and get children out, etc. We've got a rear view camera also, as well as parking sensors to aid you in all your reverse parking needs. A 6th and 7th seat option in the back as well, so you've got a huge luggage compartment without the 6th and 7th seat up. However, you do have that brilliant option if need be. The rear doors just simply slide open, and looking from the side there, that's the only amount of space you need when parking up next to vehicles. 6th and 7th seat options are up at the moment, so you've got your 6th and 7th seat in the back there, 3 independent seats in the back, and there's your front. The power shift gearbox can be used in a semi-automatic mode, just using the buttons there on the side of the gear shift. We've got dual zone climate control, including air conditioning and heated front windscreen, push button stop start, speed limiter and cruise control there on the centre of your screen now. Latest Sync 3 technology with audio including DAB, audio streaming, AM and FM radio. Phone for Bluetooth telephony and audio streaming, navigation with live traffic information and dynamic route guidance. What that means is basically it knows what areas are busy at what time, and with the traffic avoidance systems will get you going around that traffic rather than through it and stuck in it. Menu function controls on the steering wheel, volume controls for both your Bluetooth and your audio on the right hand side, telephony controls and radio station preset controls. We've got parental control, which actually child locks the rear doors and takes power away from rear windows at just the push of a button now. No messing around with keys indoors. Power to all 4 windows, electronic door mirror adjustment and retractable electronic door mirrors. They fold away nicely and neatly upon locking the car or manually pressing the button. Automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. Finishes this car off wonderfully. Finished in the fantastic Moondust Silver, prepared by our Ford trained technicians with a full Ford service history, and of course second to none award-winning customer care and aftercare service here at Perrys Mansfield. Thanks for watching, bye bye for now.